running a test of our coil microphone setup here, which is a pair here of a regular dynamic microphone paired with a coil that's attached to a microphone body that should just pick up magnetic waves, whereas this will pick up the audio, convert it to magnetic, and feed it into there. So our test here is if these are EVPs, are electromagnetically transmitted, this should pick up any EVPs as well as on the audio mic. So to test this, what we're doing is we're generating a false EVP essentially by running an audio file through this coil, which will then turn it into a magnetic signature, which will be picked up by the second coil and should show up as an audio file. There's an audio sound. So this is what we're playing, so you can hear it.
My curiosity is killing me just like a cat would be killed by the curiosity, yes.
So there's our test wave. So what I'm going to do now is take this, plug it into the headphone output, so that now that same signal is being run through this coil. Cody's going to turn that on to record.
Okay. All right.
Okay, now I'm going to play the same audio file. You won't hear anything because it's going through the coil.
Except through the headphones.
Except through the headphones. Unplug the headphones real quick.
We'll have it on there twice.
Here we go. We're playing it again. Okay.
Okay, so that was just to make sure. The cool thing about the headphones is it lets us actually listen as we're doing it, so that's kind of a neat little tidbit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to patch everything in, but we're going to take this down, so we'll do that.
So we've downloaded the files now. This is the traces from the condenser mic, and you can see us talking here, but let me play it so you can hear again what we just heard. I'm going to play the same audio file. You won't hear anything because it's going through the coil. Except through the headphones. Unplug the headphones real quick.
We'll have it on there twice.
Here we go. We're playing it again. Okay.
So that was just to make sure. The cool thing about the headphones is it lets us actually listen as we're doing it. So there's no response. You don't hear it all on the condenser microphone.
So that should sound just like what we heard on the video camera on the video earlier as we were recording it. So now here is the other set. So this is, again, the top one is the coil mic. Bottom one looks very similar to what we just saw, which is the dynamic mic on there. So if we can play the dynamic mic, we'll see if anything comes across on that at all. So let me play that one by itself first. Okay, now I'm going to play the same audio file. You won't hear anything because it's going through the coil. Except it's a headphones. Unplug the headphones. Here we go. We're playing it again. So again, you've got a quiet gap there with nothing showing up. Alright, so now we'll play, this is the coil mic, and as you can see the waveform looks very different to start with.
My curiosity is killing me just like a cat would be killed by the curiosity, yes.
So you can see it's not picking up any of the audio as you would expect, it's only picking up what's coming through the coil.
My curiosity is killing me just like a cat would be killed by the curiosity, yes.
So that's it. That's how it's going to work. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Right.